doing this video mainly from necessity, because the longer I don't, the cleaner it gets. This is a Dyson DC01 Breakthrough limited edition vacuum cleaner. It has been sat in the top edge of a car workshop for, the guy thinks, about 20 years, and he didn't want it anymore. And obviously I couldn't resist. Let's have a look at a filthy Dyson DC01 and see how well it works. Oh my god. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? I'm already finding bits of broken glass, oh dear, on the carpet. Yeah, this, oh wait, there it is, let's get that out now. Look, and a drilled out rivet, there we go. I'm not lying to you at all. He said they used it and it was rubbish, so they put it up out the way and used something else. And yeah, I went to pick it up and I was going to do a video of me collecting it. He said I could film where it was, but then obviously, you know, COVID happened, and in the end we met up in a friend's field for car fun, socially distanced, and he just brought it along. So here it is. Yeah, I've been keeping it, I've had it a couple of weeks, and it's getting cleaner every time I pull my curtain, because it's been out the way of the children. It gets cleaner, so it needs to have its before video filmed. As we unwrap the very dusty, dirty cable, which is tremendously bent, we can get the wand off. Now, oh, that bit's quite clean. The wand won't actually, there we go. Okay, that's good. The cuff's not jammed. The hose isn't torn either, so that's good. That's okay. The wand is in fairly good condition. It is filthy dirty, absolutely honking, and there is a little crack. Where is it? It is there in the front of that. The sticker isn't fab, but actually the bumper, the missing bit of the bumper is now somewhere in there. I popped it in there so I wouldn't lose it, and it's fallen down, so I don't, we'll have to see if we can, oh no, wait, hang on. Oh. Aha! So yeah, an okay wand and a hose, which is filthy. Oh, just seen the ratings page as well, which isn't a dateable one, so it's a later DC01. It is number 40,318 of this limited edition Dyson. There we go. Whew. Let's take the cyclone off next, and we'll lift up, and we're going to do or die this. Ooh. Why is it? Oh, okay. Well, we didn't start the cyclone, but yeah, we now have to clean this up. And I think what I'll do is say, oh, look at that! Look at the state of the bin. They're going to empty it because yeah, they're now broken glass everywhere. I'm going to go and get my flip-flops on. Oh, and clean it up. I've wearing shorts too. God, hope it's not me blood by the end of today. To clean it up, I'm going to use another Dyson. You haven't seen this yet. This is a DC07. It's mint, isn't it? Pretty immaculate, apart from obviously being a little bit dirty. Came from my neighbour. They got a shark and didn't want it, and it works okay. problem with it is that the chassis is broken on it, and I'm a bit loath to strip it for spares. It is flipping immaculate. I'm waiting for your friend and mine, Mr. Stewart from Manchester back, to see if he's got a pretty decent chassis, because I don't want to put a faded one on. If I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it properly. So I'm waiting that. Right, where were we? Now that I'm not going to be showered in glass like I've just crashed into another car and had a massive accident. We don't have a filter anywhere. Oh, blimey. Okay, well, I suppose they could have taken it out. It pivots. We have both of our wheel cover things, although the rear wheels are crackered underneath. I think the little rubber thing has snapped or come off, but the brush roll is in okay order. The front bumper is completely ripped off, like fully, so I think that'll need to be just glued on. And gosh, we're at the stage now where we are going to fix the Cyclone again. I'm going to do the bin off. Put the wand back on, I suppose. And then, oh, this is difficult. Plug it in. However, I did notice, because it fell out, that there is no fuse in this plug. So I'm going to pop a fuse in and then come back. We can now have electricity. Now I'm hoping that the fuse was just robbed for something else, rather than actually this thing being quite bad. Whoa. Well, that turned on, but if my spidery old brivey falling down to the back, if my spidery senses do not fail me, that has just hard blown this. Come on, I just need a little flat-based screwdriver. Don't keep the audience waiting. That's just hard blown its fuse. Oh, crap, right. Always check what fuse you get from the top of your toolbox when you're rummaging around before you fit it to a vacuum cleaner. We don't need that. That's just blown because it's a 1,000-watt motor through a 3-amp fuse. One 13-amp fuse obtained. Plus side, it seems like it's going to run. You can hear it. The tool suction is utterly woeful, but that didn't half seem to do the carpet. What? Oh, I'm not prepared. I was expecting this to be rubbish, but well, that just seem to work okay. I won't put too much down. It's only a DC01 anyway, but this hasn't been used in 15, 20 years, and look at the state of it. There's glass rattling around though. It's not quite got enough suction to pick that up. Look what it's just done. It was nearly about to get me saying, God, didn't that do a good job? But yeah, no. But bless it, that's quite impressive. My hands are filthy. So what are the plans with it? Well, I don't actually have any, let's be honest. It is beyond caring about. It is so faded. It's never going to be mint. The stickers are terrible. It's maybe just because it's this filthy that I'm even bothering to film it. So my plan is to give it a strip and wash and full refurb, just because it's got a good motor in it, it's got good parts in it. I can then do an after video showing you how it turned out, and after that, I'll be honest, I don't have any plans for it. Hopefully somebody I know will just need a cheap free Hoover and I can give it to them. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching possibly the filthiest Dyson we have ever seen on my channel, and crikey, the bar was set pretty high there, wasn't it? What do you think? Comment down below. Is this the filthiest thing that I have shown you that isn't myself? Who knows? But until next time, thank you very much for watching, and I and this Dyson will see you soon. Bye bye.